Hello everybody, welcome to All About Tron channel, and hope this video will be great for you and it will be explain many things from you. Now guys, many of members talk to me via Telegram, via WhatsApp and via Facebook. They're asking me about IncoMatrix and what is IncoMatrix. So now I will set what is IncoMatrix. IncoMatrix is the life changer of everyone who want to earn money. Okay guys, now let's go first to the dashboard and I will show you step by step. First of all, open a new tab here. Okay, I will paste the link. Okay guys, when you paste the link, I'm using laptop. On the phone you use the same. Okay, you open the link on your DAB browser, on Tron Link Pro, on Clever, on Token Pocket. It can work on these three wallets. Okay, don't use Tron wallet because on 28th of February it will be shut down. Okay guys, now when you open the app, it will show you this one. So you press on the register. Okay, I will put the link on the description below. That when you want to register, you put the link on the tab of your wallet. Okay, tab browser, and be sure to register under the apply 79. Now I already registered, so I put here IncoMatrix home. Okay, so when I put this one, now it will show me my dashboard. Okay guys, for now I will explain what is IncoMatrix. I post many videos, but many didn't understand exactly what is IncoMatrix. So now you will understand and you will understood what IncoMatrix is about. IncoMatrix is a Tron smart contract that has been deployed on Tron Scan. Okay, and Tron crypto is a crypto currency that it will be rising by the end of 2021. Okay, and as Justin said, that between 2022 and 2023 it will be 0.06 or 0.5. It will be however the bet will be working. For now, let's move to the IncoMatrix. Now, IncoMatrix, you have 5 ways of earning. You earn from your direct referral, you earn from your referrals downline, and also you earn from your referrer and downline and theirs downline. Now, in i3, when you open the dashboard here, the i3 will appear. Okay, this i3 is based on your direct referring. On the first slot and the second slot, it will go for your wallet directly, and the third slot will go as reinvest and will go to your upline. Same as second level, same as the third level. Okay, and on i4 you will earn here. You will earn 1 here, 2, 3 to your wallet. But the first slot and the second slot will go to your upline, and the third and the fourth will go as reinvest. Okay, so this IncoMatrix it is a trending smart contract, and many news say that IncoMatrix will upgrade their systems. Now let's go to the i16, the most important thing on this smart contract. It is X gold levels. Okay, so here you will earn from your referral, you will earn from your downlines, you will earn from your referral downlines, you will earn from your downlines of your downlines. However they buy slots, however they refer, however you will earn. See here how much spillovers I get. I get a huge income just from i16. Very easy to understand, very easy to use, and very easy to explain. How many ask, I need to earn without referring. Guys, all network is based on referring, but in IncoMatrix you can earn also without referring in iGlobal and iInvest. iGlobal, it will be distributed every 24 hours for 5 days. Every 5 days you will get the amount that will be the sum of the 5 days, and you can withdraw anytime you want. You do nothing just by upgrading slots in i3 and i4 and i16. Okay, for me I earn 15.93 Tron. I do nothing. All Also in I invest, you can earn also 1% from your registration, but the registration 25. So first 25 will go to the i3, second 25 will go to the i4, and the third will go to I invest, that you will earn 1% daily for 500 days. So guys, hope this tutorial has great for you and explained what you want to do, what you want to know to do, okay, and how to work with IncoMatrix, okay. And don't forget to join my Facebook group, and also I have my IncoMatrix group, and here is my Facebook also. So if you want anything, my name is Wissam. I am the owner of this IncoMatrix group on Facebook. Okay, and also I have all about Tron. For now, guys, see you later tomorrow on another video, and hope this video was helpful for every one of you. Good night and good day.